Welcome to my channel. This will be a review of the Rheem performance water heater. This one is a power vent. Here is the serial number, the model number, the manufacturer date. This is a 40-gallon tank. My previous one was also a 40-gallon tank. This is a 40,000 BTU. My previous one was a 36,000 BTU. Feel free to pause the video if you want to read through any of those information. This show you how to operate your water heater tank. And here's where you control your water heater tank. This is the on and off switch, your status light to let you know that it's on, and where you can control the temperature. We have it on hot right now. And this connector is for a Ethernet Wi-Fi module. You can buy it separately and add it on. It's about $50, I believe. This will allow you to control your water heater through your smartphone. And here's some more information. This is the water condensation line. And this is why there is a temperature relief valve. My previous water heater did use the chimney to exhaust, but because I plan to take down the chimney, I decided to go with the power vent one. It go up to the side of the house. Now I'm gonna show you some extra item I add so that I can extend the life of my water heater. I have a vacuum relief valve. I do have this one on the wrong side. This is the hot water line. You should have it on the cold water line. This is a thermal expansion tank. And I would also recommend that you get a whole house water filter. It will keep all the bad stuff from coming to your house and eventually into your water heater. Even if you have a tankless water filter, you should still get this one. I will leave a link in the description for all of those items I mentioned today. If you're interested in buying any of them, just go to the description and click on it. Overall, I really like this product. I would highly recommend it. I haven't had any issue with it since I have it. We have 4 of us in the house and we never run out of hot water. Even when we have guests, we had no issue with it. So if you're interested in buying any of those products again, feel free to click on the description and it will take you straight to the web. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.